Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a hotel in the LATAM Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the hotels and cars button. And then click on the hotels button. And the application will guide you to booking.com, where you can search for any destination. So first you have to type in the city where you want to go. And then you have to set your arriving and leaving time. And then lastly you have to set the number of adults or children who are going to stay with you. And if there are any children, you have to set their age as well. And you can also add rooms if you want to be in a separate room, for example. But if you're ready, then just click on the done button. And it is optional, but you can tick if you're on a business trip. But anyways, just click on the search button. And as you can see, you will find the best deals in London. So now you can just search for it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.